Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to our channel. Today I got this air ducts from Ritchie. He's out in the UK, and this is for those of you that updated your head unit to the big 9-inch unit, and then you do have a sliver of venting. But let's take a look at this product. ARD, and it's 3D printed, so it's gonna attach to the back of the vent, right? And then this will then attach to the connectors. Let's put it in the car and see how it looks. Okay, so this is the unit I'm talking about. So we have a wind gauge here, and let's go turn it on. This is on 1 setting. Nothing. 2 setting. There we go. It's starting to spin up. Getting 3 miles an hour, but you don't feel anything really. Let's see. Let's put it at the. And at this point, there's no wind coming to me. Nothing. It's coming on the bottom, somewhere on the floor. It's venting out from here, shooting it down there. And let's put it at max. Okay, and this is with the wind gauge right there. And this is max. So 5.6, 5.7 miles an hour is the number that we're getting. Okay, now let's go install this. Remove this guy. Okay, let's see if we can just slide these guys in there. Okay, so let me get some lighting here so you guys can see. Okay, so we have our little wind gauge going here. It's blowing 2 miles per hour on this side, and let's look at this side. It's 0. Yeah, same distance. I put it like right on the edge right here. Let's try it here. Right. Okay, let's go higher. .6, 3.7. This side. .8, 0.7. Let's go full gusto. Okay, 1.9. 1.9. And this side. 7.8. 7.5 steady. Yeah, man. Big difference. I can actually feel air. So I can feel the air right here. And here, nothing. I don't feel anything. I feel a little draft. Now I can. Right here. Right here. And this, I feel it here. Wait, here we go. I already feel it here. It's already windy here. I mean, like, let's look. See, I'm all, like, yeah, it's generating too. And this side, 0. So watch. shooting up at like 3.7. Let's go on this side, 3.8. And this side, nothing. Yeah, it works, man. I'm totally happy with this. And again, I want to just turn this off. Really happy with this, guys. Really really awesome. And this proves it, right? I mean, we're able to we use our wind gauge here to try and see the difference, and there's a significant amount of difference, and there's going to be a lot more comfort, especially on those hot days and even in the cold days, right? So I think if you have this head unit, I think, man, this is the way to go. Because or if you don't want to spend the money, just make sure you block off those two vents in there, because that's just one big hole in your hose basically, right? So if you want to channel more air just from your side vents, I mean, that I'm gonna put the link below where you guys can get a hold of Ritchie. Actually, I'm gonna link his video down below, and if you guys want to order, go through Ritchie. You can go on Etsy and order it there as well. But I'm gonna go with Ritchie because quality of it's amazing. Here we go. I think we're gonna go with Ritchie's design. This is what he designed, and it fits perfectly. So let's go ahead and install this last one. Forgot. All right. And what fell inside is my light. There, I see the light's still on. Okay, so not much you guys are gonna be able to see, but I'm gonna do my best here. See, you kind of just slide it right inside there. You push it in, and then you try to line it up there with that hole so that it doesn't move. Okay, and that's good. See, like, they're both seated in there nicely. Pushing a little bit more just on the duct itself to make sure that it's fitting there properly. And then the easy part now is putting it back. Okay, so now that they're both installed, now let's try it again, right? With our tool. They're both now installed. Okay, so let's put it the highest again. All right, so here we go. Yeah, this is my face right here, right? Last time when we went over to the other side, it was nothing. It's matching it. Look at that. So big kudos to Ritchie. Thank you again, buddy. And it is well worth the money, and my health thanks you. Because I did try it, and one day here in California it got really hot, and that wasn't cutting it. That wasn't cutting it. So again, I want to give a great shout out for Ritchie for designing these and making it available for us Fiat 500, Abarth, and regular Fiat. So I mean, this will fit any Fiat. So if you have a Fiat 500, you're good to go, you know. So all right, guys, anyways, that is it for our video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and learned something, and I will talk to you guys on our next video. And if you haven't, guys, if you haven't subscribed yet to our channel, please consider subscribing, man. That'd be awesome. And hit that like button so that you know, the algorithm here on YouTube will help us out to get this video out to more people. You know, that's all. You know, because there's some people that would they may benefit from this. So yeah, please do that. That'd be super awesome. Appreciate everything, guys. I will talk to you guys in our next video. Bye.